Hello, everyone. This is the Technology Working Group, and we are going to talk about what we have accomplished during last year and what are we going to do in the future. Our group consists of the best people. We have members from all the regions, and also we have Islam from GIO. Lisa is a NASA Globe representative, and we have Dave and Cornell from SSI. And this is us, our working group members. And to start, we have to say that what we actually do. Our tasks are exploration of new instrumentation technologies for data collection and analysis. We support the technology team in the process of prioritization of Globe activities based on the needs of the Globe community, to provide beta test support for the Liferay environment and mobile data, acquiring Globe data with Globe API and Globe team into Google Sheet for analysis on cloud. During the last year, our key accomplishments have been next. We delivered a new version of the website software, Liferay 7.2 in November 2020. We reviewed the Globe strategic plan and provided feedback. Each member rated the prioritization list of action items. We reviewed proposed design options for the future dashboard. We tested the beta version of the new Observer app. We provided feedback on both the revised mentor trainer and student accounts processes. We also provided feedback on the proposed changes on the new search categories. And we explored new sensors and equipment, including cheaper alternatives to weather stations and data acquisition support. So, it's our key and future activities and initiatives will be presented by Ahmad.
Thank you, Laura. So the key current and future activities and initiatives done by the Technology Working Group include the merging of the Globe Observer and the Globe Data Entry apps, the new mentor trainer process. We've also worked on improving the site architecture, simplifying the account requests and setup processes, providing support for student accounts and student tracking, the new user dashboard, and providing better support for using Globe Teams. So the merging of the Globe Observer app and the Globe Data Entry app means that these apps will be brought together, and you will essentially need one app to enter data, which is the Globe Observer. It will also support protocol bundles, which means that you can create your own bundle or use Globe specified bundles. This app will also simplify the site creation and the data entry overall. The Technology Working Group has been also working on the new mentor trainer process, which will include the country coordinator approval of both trainers and mentor trainers. More information can be found on the Globe website by following the link in this slide. We have also provided feedback on the proposed site architecture. As can be seen in this slide, the current architecture of the website is to be changed to a more user-friendly setup. This will allow for users to access pages of the Globe websites more easily and find Globe documents fairly quickly. In addition, we provided feedback on the account creation process and how to both simplify it and make it easier to go through by following certain steps. Enhancements to student accounts. So the Technology Working Group also discussed the enhancements on the student accounts. These enhancements include the association of data to the individual student accounts. The number of student accounts will also be increased, and students will receive auto-generated names and avatars, and they will access a dashboard that they can track their progress. And more will be presented by Dave and Cornell from SSAI during the annual meeting. Regarding the new user dashboard, it will provide a customizable dashboard for all GLOBE participants so they can easily find their data. And it will also include a better organized content for guests, as well as a more effective interface to share accomplishment, awards, recognition, and interests. So in the next slide, here's an example of how the new user dashboard will look like and how it can be customized and created. So finally, the working group provided feedback on the enhancements to the GLOBE teams. These enhancements include the display of all the data associated with a GLOBE team on that team's page. Also, GLOBE teams can be associated with a school, and these GLOBE teams can also be linked to the IVSS reports produced by those schools, and each report can be tracked to the students, and more information about that will be shown during the presentations in the annual meeting. So now I'll hand it over to Sarah.
Thank you, Ahmad. So if you would like more details on these improvements, especially with regard to the GLOBE Data app, the Entry app merging with GLOBE Observer, be sure to check out presentations by Dave and Cornell this week. And those are entitled GLOBE Website and Social Media, What's Changed and What's Planned for Next Year, and GLOBE's new data entry system, combining GLOBE Data Entry with GLOBE Observer. So we'd like to thank you for attending our presentation. And if you have any technology needs, and you want some support, feel free to reach out to us. You can contact Laura, the chair there, and any other of your regional representatives on the technology working group. And a special shout out to the SSAI team, Cornell and Dave, for their help. Thank you.